Welcome back. Today we are looking at the FLASHFORGE AD5X MultiColor 3D printer 4 colors. What is the right fit for you? When looking into the modern landscape of additive manufacturing, hobbyists and professionals alike are constantly forced to choose between two vastly different tiers of machinery. On one hand, you have standard consumer 3D printers, often affordable, compact, but riddled with manual calibration frustrations, slow print speeds, and single-color limitations that require constant babysitting. Check the video description for the updated price link. On the other hand, you have high-end industrial large-format 3D printing systems. These enterprise-grade beasts offer lightning-fast Core XY kinematics, multi-material capabilities, enclosed heated chambers, and bulletproof reliability, but they usually come with eye-watering price tags running into thousands of dollars, making them entirely inaccessible for home workshops, small studios, or educational institutions. Enter the FLASHFORGE AD5X MultiColor 3D printer. Positioning itself right at the intersection of high-end industrial engineering and standard consumer usability, this machine aims to bridge the massive gap inches the market. Featuring an intelligent filament system IFS enabling seamless 4-color multi-material printing, a blazing fast maximum speed of 600 ms, fully automated leveling, and a robust 300C nozzle capable of handling high-temp engineering filaments, the AD5X redefines what users can expect from a mid-tier ecosystem. Whether you are scaling up your prototype production or looking to dive into colorful artistic creations without wrestling with endless configuration settings, this machine demands a serious look. For those interested in upgrading other automated devices, your creative or practical workspace, you might also want to check out this related product guide for smart kitchen automation tools that share a similar philosophy of set-and-forget user convenience. When evaluating the build quality and structural integrity of a 3D printer, the contrast between standard desktop models and industrial-grade units becomes immediately apparent. Standard printers frequently utilize cantilever designs or lightweight, flex-prone aluminum extrusions that vibrate excessively at high speeds, leading to severe ringing, ghosting, and layer shifting. The FLASHFORGE AD5X, however, borrows heavily from high-end industrial motion mechanics. It utilizes a rigid Core XY structure enclosed a sturdy chassis designed to dampen resonance and maintain absolute precision even when driven to its absolute limits. Furthermore, standard budget printers usually max out at nozzle temperatures around 240°C to 250°C, restricting users strictly to basic filaments like PLA and PETG. If you try to print engineering-grade materials like ABS, ASA, or nylon, you will quickly run into warping, delamination, and thermal creep. The FLASHFORGE AD5X shatters these standard limitations by equipping a high-performance hot tin capable of reaching up to 300°C. Combined with its generous build volume of 220,220,220 millimeters, it strikes an optimal balance between a compact footprint and industrial-grade spatial capacity, allowing creators to produce functional mechanical parts, structural brackets, and complex multi-part assemblies with absolute ease. One of the most tedious aspects of standard 3D printing has always been multicolor execution. Standard single extruder printers require users to manually pause prints, unload filament, load a new color, purge the nozzle, and resume a process that is not only labor-intensive and prone to human error, but completely impractical for complex models involving hundreds of color changes. High-end commercial multi-material systems solve this, but their proprietary ecosystems were closed and prohibitively expensive. The FLASHFORGE AD5X changes the game entirely with its integrated, intelligent filament system IFS, supporting up to 4 colors seamlessly. The IFS manages automated filament feeding, retraction, and synchronization directly through the printer's firmware and slicing software. When a color transition is triggered, the printer handles the purge and switch autonomously, ensuring clean color boundaries without bleeding or stringing. This elevates your prints from single-tone prototypes to vibrant, professional-grade models, marketing mock-ups, and intricate miniatures right out of the box. Check the link in the description to get yours today.